guys, this is Geetika Rawat. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that there are many of you who are following me and who are motivating me to keep making few nice videos for you guys. So here I'm again up. I know I have taken a lot of time, but now I'm back with another video because I recently, like all of you know, it had been a quarantine time, it had been a lockdown for everyone, very depressing, very sad, staying at home all the time, which was for good for sure. But then apart from that, there had been a lot of things, lot of products in my online shopping cart that have been lying there, and now I finally received them. So one such product is NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Purchased it from Nykaa, and one thing which I noticed is for sure for all the products, whichever you buy online, they are always brighter and more color corrected as compared to real ones. So I already knew that the shades are gonna be 2 tones down.
NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette has a range of bright colors, dark colors and shimmers. So let's go and see the palette swatch. As you can see, I have just applied only a single layer of color and the color payoff is pretty good as I have not put any base and I have just applied them directly. This is the first row of colors. However, if you want, you can always build up the colors, that way the color shows more. So the first row has basically a red color which is in matte, yellow again is in matte, and two more colors which are family of red with shimmer in it. Moving on to the second row. The first color is a really beautiful light golden shimmer shade. Second one is peachish orange color. The third color is again really pretty bronzer, and the fourth color is brown. So you will also see further in the video that I have used the same brown for contouring my face. Here goes the third row of the palette with mustard, magenta and a few shimmer colors. Moving on to the last row of the palette, which I think is the best for creating a smoky eye look. It has black, grey and shimmer colors.
Travel a lot, so I cannot carry all the palettes with me. So in case if I want to carry the single palette, it has other basic colors also apart from the bright tones. If I don't want to use the bright and matte finish ones, I can always play with the black one and with the brown one. This is a lighter brown, not very dark. The look which I'm going to create with this eyeshadow would be very basic, very normal, especially for people like me who have hooded eyes, whose crease line doesn't show. Guys, let's go and see the video.
So guys, starting off with my look, first of all I'm going to use a concealer. So this video I'm also creating is for beginners who want to know how to do a basic makeup. So I'm going to use my fingertips to dab it off. You can use a sponge or a brush, whatever suits you. Moving on to the foundation, I am using this foundation whose specifications are mentioned below. So I'm going to use a very little quantity as I am doing a basic day makeup. Now I'm going to use my NYX palette. So I have a habit of using minimal products, so I'm going to use the same palette's brown color to contour my face. Now I'm going to use a sponge to just dab it off. Next, to even out my skin tone, I am using this K-Play Compact. Now heading on to emphasizing my eyes, I am going to use the Last Rose shimmer color as a base. Just applying a single stroke is giving an amazing payoff. Using the main red color of my look, and especially putting it on the outer portions. Next I'm going to use the yellow color to just provide some shade. Applying the same color on the lower eyelash line on the inner sides, and the red color I'm going to use on the outer, that pops up my eyes more. As you can see, I'm done with my eyeshadow. Next thing is I'm going to define it with an eyeliner. As I have hooded eyes, I'm going to make sure I give it an upward wing. Just to add more drama to my eyes, I'm going to add a little more eyeliner on my inner sides. Last, I'm going to finish off the eye makeup with a mascara, which is very important for people who have scarce lashes or less lashes like I have. I use the same mascara wand to brush my eyebrows upwards. It also saves my time. On my lips, I use the same red color that I used for my eyes and just defined it with this lip pencil. Finishing off the whole look with a highlighter. I'm applying it on my nose, on my cheeks. A little bit of it is applied just below my eyebrows and some on the upper lip. In case you are wearing a deep neck, don't forget to apply some on your collarbones and you are good to go.
So guys, please like and subscribe my channel. That is very important. If there is any query, you can always comment. My Instagram ID is minimalist_cravings. You can also search by typing Geetika Rawat, and I'm also there on Facebook by the name of Geetika Rawat Blog.